kesa over 90.
Still serving.
Right?
Number
Dahil pwede
11, Nicole.
pamor na eh. Yun lang yung sa tingin nila lalo. Ano?
Wow!
Trend. Hindi papayag yung kabila. Pero yung iba, ang bata to. Pero kung si Bobby yung papasok, sigurado magreklamo.
Number 26.
Pangit.
Service on 3. Now serving number 46 from Team Alpha.
Bakit ba? Hindi ko nakita yun. Ano ba nangyari?
Nice service. Get by Bobby. Nice pass. Point for Team CL Sports. Now serving Izzy. Number 12.
Naglaro kayo sa iglesia ng nakaraan. Parang nakasabi yung mga iglesia kasi naglalaro lang yung
Nice service.
babayod ko ba? Seryoso yun kasi mga ate nagagamit.
Matagal pa yung commit namin.
Nice try, but not over. Over by Bobby. Play set to number 18. Set to Bobby. Nice get by number 9. 5. CL scores just a point. Now serving. Still serving. Number 12, Izzy. Nice service. 13 sets to number 35. Nice get by Tara. Over by number 13. Nice get by Brian. Drop ball by Bobby. Nice get 35. Sets it to Bobby. Drop ball. CL Sports gets a point. Score is now 7-3. So serving Izzy, number 12. Nice service. Up by 34. Nice try. Score is now 8-3. So serving Izzy, number 12, Team CL Sports. Nice service. But it's out. Serving number 13 from Team Alpha. Nice service. Izzy sets it to Bobby. Over. Score is now 5-8. 13 for service. Nice back. Brian over to Bobby. Nice step. Over to number 5. Nice get by Bobby. Set to number 35. Nice try. Score is now 6-8. Number 13 for service, Christine Lanka. What a serve. Nice. Set by Brian over 2. What a 5. Score is now 9-6 in favor of Team CL Sports. Now serving number 27, Bobby. Nice service. Get by 13.
Papalo mo.
Nice. Score now 10-6. So serving number 27. Nice service. Nice block by number 35. Set. Easy set to Tala. Nice over. Over to Disney. Over 5. Follow by Ryan. Ooh, nice. Score is now 11-6. So serving number 27 from Team UC of Sports, Bobby. Nice service. Get by number 10. Nice get by number 46. Nice get by Nicole, number 11. Nice try by number 9. Score is now 7-11.
Hindi lang po.
Number 35 from service. Nice try.
Di ba ka pa?
Score is now 12-7. Favor of Team CF Sports. Now serving from Team CF Sports, number 9, Tala. Nice service. What a goal! Service made by Tala. Score is now 13-7. So serving. Oh, timeout. Now we will continue our CL versus Wildcats. Now serving. Tala, number 9 from CL Sports. What a serve. So serving number 9. Nice service. Ooh, but the score is Wildcats. The ball goes to Wildcats. The ball goes to Wildcats. Ball goes to Wildcats.
Net.
Napaapakan pa.
Net pala eh.
Kala ko naman. Pero maganda, maganda.
Number 18
Nantok pa si
for
Dino.
service, Team
Nantok pa.
Wildcats. Score is now 8-14. Wildcats closing the gap. Hey, what a serve! Wildcats closing the 7-point lead. It is now 9-14. Nice service. Easy overs the ball. Over by number 10. Nice get by Nicole. Nice save, but it's not over. Score is now 10-14. Wildcats is catching up to Team CL Sports. Number 18 for service. Nice service. Get by over by Heather. Get by Tala. Nice get by Amy. Over by Bobby. Over by number 35. And it's outside. Score is now 15-10. Now serving for Team CL Sports, number 13, Heather. Nice service. Nice get by number 13. Over by number 10. Nice over by nice save by Bobby. Step over to Bobby Sacco. Woo! They got by 35. Over by Nice over by number 5 from Team Wildcat. Over to Nicole. Nice cover. Over by number 35 from Team Wildcat. Nice try by number 16 from Team Steel Sports. Score is now 11-15. Now serving the Wildcats.
Outside.
Nice try. Score is now 16-11. Now serving from Team Steel Sports, number 16, Brianne. Nice service. Over by number 35. Set it to the middle. Nice. Pass by Bobby. Set it over. Nice try. Score is now 17-11. 16 from Steel Sports. Now service. Nice service. Nice. Get by number 46. Set it to number 46. Nice drop. Over by number 27. Nice drop by number 46. Over by number. Point 14. Wildcats. Score by number 13. Score is now 12-17. Now serving number 10 from Team Wildcats. Service error. 18-12 in favor of Team Steel Sports. Now serving number 11, Nicole. Nice get by number 46 over. Ooh, up next from Team Steel Sports. The point for Team Wildcats. For the 6 for service, nice serve. Over to Bobby. Nice get by number 18. Over by number 18. Nice get by Nicole. Get by Lizzie. Over to Donna. Nice pass by Donna. Inside. Call by the referee. A point for Team Steel Sports. Score is now 19-13 in favor of Team Steel Sports. Now serving Lizzie, number 12. Nice get by number 10. Over. One over by number 13. Nice ball. Score is now 14-19.
Sabi siguro ng mga boy, baka hindi kami makita.
Imagine
mo, ang bilit na tapos ang baba.
Nice get by Nicole, over by Bobby, nice over by number 12, over by number 5, Team Wildcat. Over to Bobby, nice get by number 13. What a drop ball by Bobby, number 27. Score is now 20-14 in favor of Team Steel Sports. Now serving number 27 for Team Steel Sports, Bobby. Nice over by number 13 to Team Wildcat. Finally a point from Team Wildcat, 15-20. Number 35 for service. Nice service. Over by number 12. Nice drop by number 10. Score is now 16-20. 4 more points for Wildcats matches up. Service serve. Score is now 21-16. Number 9 for service from Team CS Sports. Nice service. Got by number 18. Nice save by number 5. Number 10. Score is now 17-21.
Tapos mo na.
Number 18 for service, Team Mud. Score is now 18, number 21. And service, what a short serve. Ooh! Nawala ng sapatos si Easy. Nice shot! Go Easy! Nawala ng sapatos si Easy pero naka-point ng team. Now serving number 13. Nice service ace. Warning 14. CL Sports. So serving number 13. Heather. Nice get. 5-6 to number 10. A miscommunication. Team CS Sports. Score is now 19-23. Now serving from Team Wildcats number 5. What a serve. But it's outside. Match point for Team CS Sports. Set point. Number 16 for service. Brianna. Nice service. Nice get by number 46. Over by number 5. What a point for Team Wildcats. Really coming up to Team CS Sports. 4 more points. Number 10 for service. Ooh, one more ball. Service ace. 21-24. The CF Sports able to break the streak. Nice hit. Nice get by Bobby. Over by Izzy. Izzy steps up to Bobby. Ooh, what a get. 13 seconds number 46. Bobby spikes the ball. Over by number 13. 16 puts the ball. Over by number